Hi guys! Welcome to another performance task video. In this video, we will do an erupting volcano experiment. To do that experiment, we will have to create a 3D volcano model. And to do that, we will use the 3 R's for our materials. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is my tray back when I was in preschool for my first volcano project. These are the papers that I used from my reviewers, and at the back, used as scratch papers. And we will use this for our paper mache volcano. These are the excess parts from my house DIY project. These are the toys that I used for my rainforest diorama. We need cutter and scissors. We also need paintbrushes, fast food tissue papers, glue gun, a plastic bottle that says "Recycle Me", acrylic paint. We will also need glue, container, and water. And lastly, baking soda and vinegar. First, I will set up my table and use this newspaper to avoid stains. Second, we will be putting the grass in our tray as land. The third step is to stick the grass. The fourth step is to cut off the tip part of this model to serve as the crater of our volcano. This will also serve as the basis of the height of the volcano. Wait guys, it says here, if you peel label, you will get a chance to win. Manalo breaks. Sana manalo tayo. The fifth step is to stick our plastic bottle at the center of our tray. Sixth, we will crumple all of our scratch papers. So, we already crumpled our papers. Now, for step 7, we will stick these crumpled papers to our container. Eight, we will set this aside and we will rip our excess crumpled paper. Doesn't have to be perfect. 9, we will mix 1 part water and 1 part glue. We're done. Then, we will paint our volcano using this mixture and followed by this paper and paint it again. Don't worry about getting the paper wet. It's the goal to soak it with the mixture. Now, we covered our volcano using our mixture and our papers. rock. For step 11, we will soak this fast food tissue and paste them in our volcano to add more texture. We already pasted our tissue papers onto our volcano. We will wait for some time to let it dry. It's dry! Look at this texture! For step 12, we will paint our volcano. Earlier, I tried to mix 3 colors: black, white, and brown. We will use the mixed colors for our volcano. We're done with the base. We will let it dry. Now that the base is dry, we will add some accent. This helps it to dry. Done. Now for the last step, we will put decorations. Done! The volcano is ready. Time for the fun part. For erupting our volcano, we need food color, baking soda, and vinegar. Also, stirring rod. These are the common household items that can be found in your kitchen. What do you think will happen when we mix baking soda with vinegar? Vinegar is acid or acidic acid, while baking soda is base, the opposite of acid. When we combine these together, something dramatic happens. So I have to be prepared. I have my lab coat and my safety goggles. I'm ready now, so serve with me. I'm my assistant here, Tony.
Hi.
He will help me do this activity. So let's get started. The first step is to put baking soda. Ay! Second, we will put food color in our vinegar. We'll just give it a little stir. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. whistles, and I saw bubbles. Do you know what this means? This means that gas has escaped. That gas is called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is like the gas that we exhale. Yellow. Look, it looks like elephant toothpaste. Still flowing to this day. It's still flowing to this day. Still erupting. Still erupting. Go.
No, you cannot.
Oh, no way.
Cannot.
Oh, it's flowing. More. It's erosing. It's yellow. Look, it looks like elephant toothpaste. Okay, touch it.
It's a love.
No. Shit now. flowing to this day. It's still flowing to this day. It's still erupting. Still erupting. Still erupting. Okay, now it's getting lower. Yes. Yes. Oh no!
Cannot.
Oh, it's flowing. Or it's erosing. It's yellow. Look, it looks like elephant toothpaste. Okay, touch it.
Hot yun.
No.
I know.
It turns cold.
It's a lava.
No. Shit now.
I didn't have to guess good.
Okay. Still flowing. Still flowing. Still flowing.
I didn't.
Still flowing. Still flowing.